Local government units are now considering cash for work programs to assist affected farmers. Similar conditions are being experienced in neighboring Ginobatan. Trees at the foot of the volcano have also turned gray due to heavy ashfall. Multiple fire trucks from various local governments in Region 5 have been deployed to assist in flushing operations. However, water supply remains a major challenge in Ginobatan, especially during the dry season. Governor Noel Rosal visited Barangay Miisi in Daraga, where thick volcanic deposits were discovered as a result of pyroclastic flow and rockfall activities from Mayon volcano. The deposits are reportedly more than 100 meters deep, covering gullies and vegetation in the area.
That's in the boundary of the 6 kilometers permanent danger zone. Pero maraming nagtatanim doon. Pag hindi natin ito na agapan, hindi natin ito binang aksyon, delikado na sa next lahar flow, baka bumaba pa ito.
FIVOC warns that heavy ashfall may still occur as Mayon volcano remains under alert level 3, indicating ongoing magmatic unrest.